You're live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we are about 1 week? How many days?
10 days.
10 days post doing circumferential body lift and revision of the chest. You can see on my patient's initial pictures, he has some looseness here, and you can see it more because he lost over 100 pounds. Here, he doesn't look big, but when you grab the skin and when you bent forward, it literally would sag. When I pinch now, look, it barely moves. This is actually with swelling, and if he squeezes as tight as possible, even here, you're right on the muscle. So it's going to be very tight. And when you bend forward a little bit. There's no hanging anymore. Like before, I posted a video on Instagram the other day where this was literally hanging down to here with loose skin. That's all gone. The other thing was previous gland removal and liposuction of the chest left him with indentation. Squeeze your chest in as hard as you can. Look how much better now. There's no more of those indentations. That indentation and dip has been improved, and we also gave him some muscular size. This will go down a teeny bit, but with his body size and how much he works on, how built, it's gonna look very proportionate. And so he did this body lift, and that is usually a big procedure to go through. You guys can see the scars here extending all the way around the side. Let me turn you just a little bit right here. See, it extends all the way around to the back of the body. That's called a body lift. You can show them that there, okay? I'll show them here what we were looking at. Look at the skin. Go ahead and turn around for me. Look at the skin that he had over here, and look at that extra looseness he had. And you see that here? Now that's pretty much gone. Some of this was skin, some of this was fat. It was removed and blended into the tattoos all the way down to the crease in the center. This area always takes a lot more time for healing. There's a little open spot here, which is gonna be fine. It's gonna heal totally fine over the next few weeks. And then lipo through here to give him a lot of tightening. So keep circling back. I'm gonna show them just overall what a body lift is. Keep going. And now we're back to the center. And squeeze again as hard as you can. I want to show people a natural movement. You can see much tighter at the bottom. Again, relax. All of this is still very swollen. Earlier on in the healing process, it takes at least 6 to 12 weeks for you to really see the outcome. And even now that we're able to see him being really healthy, vibrant, not having a lot of dizziness and a lot of pain, is doing really, really well. What are they saying on there?
They're saying, OMG, he looks fantastic. How long will it take for him to fully heal?
So it'll take us about a year, but within 3 to 6 months, he's really going to start to see it. I want him back at the gym, hopefully in another 2 weeks from now, if everything's doing really well. And you guys can see, we want this chest to maintain. We want this part to start to come in, because if you guys see here, the distance from the abs here was much wider. I brought it in so that when he works out, he's gonna have more of those lines here. He'll have the central line, he'll have the outer lines, and he'll look much tighter. In about 6 months, you'll see how much this is really gonna shrink wrap into the area. The other area I wanna show you is the sides here. So again, when we turn a little bit this way, so much of this was pinchable and movable. And look, when I pinch now, there's literally no skin, there's nothing there. So this is his natural anatomy, but look at that before. Look at how much of that bled out, and now nothing. So lipo plus the skin removal. And the chest, everyone asks about, the men especially, whether they're gonna lose sensitivity or if it's gonna look strange. It actually looks significantly better already. Change the shape a little bit so it looks more masculine, and then this is going to heal perfectly with the right type of skincare and lasers in the future, but he's covered in tattoos, you won't even be able to see it. So that is circumferential body lifts. We can't do as much etching when we do that because it puts the incisions here in danger, so we did as much tightening as possible, contouring for him in the upper abs and lateral that he's going to see over the next 3 to 6 months.
They want to know, when can he go to the gym
You can
again?
go to the gym about 2 to 3 weeks from now.
And they say they love your skin.
Thank you guys. This is both my Aerify kit plus nude skin and a couple things that I'm working on right now, some pads and other things, but you guys could see that glow. Look at those pores, there aren't any. And here, look at this, no indentations, no irregularities, just super tight and a very paper thin type scar. So it's gonna be fantastic, and I can't wait to see his results. Keep following along. Bye guys. Cool. Awesome. All right. You did great.